If you want to put a personal touch on your computer, changing app icons is a great way to do this. This video will guide you how to change desktop icons of any app shortcuts in Windows 10. Windows uses ICO files for its icons. So, if you have images in PNG or JPG formats, you have to convert them to ICO files. We'll use ICOconvert.com website for that purpose. First, upload the image from your computer. You can crop the image. Choose a style, or keep it as the original. Make sure that you check the 256 pixels option. Now, click Convert ICO. And download the ICO file on your computer. You can change the icon of any desktop shortcut, such as a shortcut to a file, folder, app, or program. Just to show you, I am going to change the icon of Google Chrome browser. First, right-click on the desktop shortcut. Select Properties. In the Shortcut tab, click on the Change Icon button. Click on Browse, and select the icon file. When you are done, click on Apply, and OK. The shortcut icon has now changed. If you want to change its icon on the taskbar, first, unpin it from taskbar. Then, right-click the shortcut, and choose Pin to Taskbar. It will change the icon on your taskbar too. Windows has a predefined set of shortcuts, like this PC, Recycle Bin, and User Accounts. To change the icons of these shortcuts, open the Personalization settings window. Select Themes. Desktop Icon Settings. Select the icon you want to change. Then, click the Change Icon button. Select the icon file. You can see, the custom icon replaced the old one.